Finally, something that we've never seen before. Today truly marks a historic day. All the pieces just came together. The things they hint us at will blow your mind. We even got confirmation from the Shiba Inu dev team. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Today we've got some incredibly exciting news to kick things off. Jason Williams and Yazan, two well-known Bitcoin analysts, have just set an ambitious target of 5 cents for Shiba Inu in this bull market. This bold prediction has certainly stirred up a lot of conversations within the crypto community. Many people are skeptical about Shiba Inu even reaching 1 penny, given its massive supply of over 500 trillion tokens, which makes such a price seem unattainable. And now, we're hearing a prediction of not just 1, but 5 cents during this bull run? It sounds unbelievable, right? However, this prediction isn't just a wild guess. It's backed by thorough analysis, so stick around as we dive into the details behind this forecast. All right, so just today, Williams and Yazan have taken to social media to boldly assert that their target for Shiba Inu this cycle is 5 cents. This ambitious prediction is part of their broader analysis of top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Yazan, in his post, suggested that Shiba Inu could hit 5 cents if Bitcoin soars to $777,000 this season. Meanwhile, Williams sees the 5 cents mark for Shiba Inu as achievable if Bitcoin reaches just $250,000. As of now, Shiba Inu is trading with 4 leading zeros. Essentially, the Bitcoin analysts expect Shiba Inu to eliminate 3 more zeros by 2025. For Shiba Inu to achieve this, the token would need to rally by a staggering 200,000% within the next year. To put this into perspective, such a monumental gain would definitely be a record-breaking feat. Gains of this magnitude are huge, making this prediction particularly extraordinary. The idea that Shiba Inu could surge by over 200,000% would set a new benchmark in the industry and potentially redefine what's considered possible for cryptocurrency growth. But can it actually hit it that soon? Well, let's take a look at other analysts. Interestingly, Shiba Inu experienced an astonishing surge of over 880,000% following the Bitcoin halving in 2020, which led to a bull market that ended in 2021. While there's plenty of optimism about Shiba Inu's potential to recreate this meteoric rise, most analysts predict a more modest outcome. They generally expect the coin to shed just 1 zero and hover around 3 zeros or slightly higher. For example, Donna, an analyst famous for her accurate Dogecoin predictions, believes that Shiba Inu's price won't go beyond 3 zeros this bull season. And the reason for that is not something you would think of. It's actually a pretty interesting one, something people often overlook but should pay more attention to. And that's pretty funny. Imagine you're trying to lose weight, and you think the only reason you're not shedding pounds is because you're not exercising enough. But when you dive deeper, you might discover other factors at play, like diet, sleep quality, and stress levels. It's not just the lack of exercise. It's a combination of various elements that are affecting your progress. Similarly, with Shiba Inu, while its massive supply is an obvious factor, the real story involves a more complex interplay. So, what is it about? Well, to reach this price point, Shiba Inu faces a major hurdle, a final sell wall at around 406, which is just about twice the current price. At this level, there are 92,000 addresses collectively holding almost 30 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Should the price rally to this point, it's expected to face substantial selling pressure, as these holders might decide to offload their positions to break even. In the crypto world, a sell wall is like a big barrier of sell orders at a specific price. It makes it challenging for the price to rise beyond that point. Sell walls can be tough for investors who hope their cryptocurrency will increase in value. Overcoming this barrier requires strong support from buyers, possibly propelling Shiba Inu into a phase of price discovery. However, still many experts believe Shiba Inu will reach 3 zeros level during this bull run. But how will Shiba Inu reach that price point? I mean, the crypto market seems pretty dull this month compared to the excitement we saw in February or March. Back then, the Bitcoin ETF narrative was causing a frenzy, leading to massive inflows into Bitcoin and the broader crypto space. Shiba Inu even managed to triple in price in just a couple of days because of it. Can you imagine how significant that is? But now, with the crypto market either flat or dipping for more than a month, it's honestly a bit boring. Many investors are starting to wonder if the bull market is over. One reason is the lack of major catalysts driving prices higher. The Bitcoin ETF hype has died down, and there hasn't been any other significant news to shake things up. Without new money pouring in, prices tend to stagnate or even drop. Plus, after such a rapid rise earlier, some investors might be feeling cautious and taking profits, which can also contribute to a market slowdown. But this is where things get interesting. Just today, Bitcoin ETF volumes have hit a 7-week high. Bitcoin ETFs are now seeing daily volumes of nearly $6 billion, marking a return to levels not seen since late March, all while Bitcoin's price hits new highs for May. This means the hype is back. Bitcoin ETFs have shown a performance absence of the time around Bitcoin's all-time high of over $73,000. According to Sentiment, this week has seen the 7 largest U.S. spot ETFs collectively manage a volume of over $5 billion, marking the highest volume since March 24th. Sentiment noted that the days when large investors were solely accumulating assets on-chain seem to be over, with trading volume now gaining significant momentum. In response, hedge fund manager Thomas Kralow expressed bullish sentiment, describing the surge in trading activity as a very positive sign for the market. And this is where things get completely out of control. Even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which was previously associated with significant outflows, has suddenly garnered modest interest. According to data from sources like the United Kingdom investment firm Farside, Grayscale saw inflows totaling 27 million and 4.6 million for May 16th and 17, respectively. This is absolutely mind-blowing news. Just think about it. We've witnessed numerous market crashes this year due to Grayscale's daily outflows. And now, out of the blue, they're choosing to buy Bitcoin instead? And not just for one day, but for the 3rd consecutive day? It's pretty unbelievable. This news is monumental for crypto enthusiasts. Grayscale's sudden reversal from outflows to inflows signals a significant shift in sentiment toward Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. It's like if you had a friend who was always pessimistic about trying new restaurants, but suddenly they're the one suggesting trying out the hottest new spot in town. It's unexpected, but it shows a newfound optimism that can have a big impact on everyone's mood and decisions. So it looks like the bull market is back again. In addition to that, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu dev team, recently made an interesting comment on Twitter. A user named Wall Street Bets posted, "We will be entering a parabolic cycle." And Lucy replied with, "Amen." But what does this mean? The term parabolic cycle refers to a rapid and exponential increase in the price of an asset. It's like when a roller coaster suddenly shoots straight up into the sky. By saying amen, Lucy is essentially expressing agreement or approval with the idea that the cryptocurrency market is about to experience such a dramatic surge. It's a subtle way of acknowledging the potential for significant gains in the near future. And this is where all the pieces seem to come together. It starts with analysts discussing the anticipated rise in Shiba Inu's price. Then, we see the return of Bitcoin ETF hype, followed by the surprising reversal of Grayscale, from dumping Bitcoin to now actively buying. And to top it off, we even have confirmation from a Shiba Inu development team member. It paints a picture of renewed optimism and potential for Shiba Inu and the broader cryptocurrency market, with analysts predicting a bullish trajectory, institutional players like Grayscale showing renewed interest, and even subtle confirmations from within the Shiba Inu team. It suggests that we may be on the brink of another significant upward movement in prices. So, what should the Shiba Inu community expect soon? They should prepare for the possibility of a surge in Shiba Inu's price, potentially entering a parabolic cycle, as mentioned by Lucy. It's an exciting time for Shiba Inu holders, but as always, it's essential to stay informed and cautious amidst the volatility of the crypto market. Note that this is not financial advice. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.